Big event.
Where futures are shaped.
We don't just teach you German or French. We also help you and you use the language either to migrate or to stay in Nigeria to enjoy the language.
I started learning German in 2021, also with the Multilanguage Place Foundation.
I joined the Yoruba Classes Multilanguage Place.
People in Multilanguage Place that will be teaching me.
So whatever stage of life you want to be, I want to be a dancer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, and anything, you want to be a pastor, whatever it is, I think if you add German to it, it helps you.
The future begins here.